farmer. Farmer struggle hard here. This is the farm. See, cultivation was done here. See, all the plant. See, all the plantation, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, everything. Here, the farmer is struggling and he is cultivating. Yes or no, children? Yes. You all have farms in your villages? Yes or no? Yes, you all have now. I also have. Yes, see, these are the green plants. Everyone. Yes. Thank you for giving this opportunity for sir, madam, and all the teachers. Today I am going to explain you about today what special day we are celebrating. Farm Day. Very good, Nana. Today we all are celebrating Farm Day. Yes? Yes. Yes. See how nicely all the teachers decorated for you. See, every animal has a farm. And it's happy. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Every child has a parent. Yes, your father, mother, everyone have. Yes? And the parents also have kids. So every animal have kids. Yes or no, children? Yes. So cow baby. Cow is a mother for calf. Cow says moo. Cow says moo. Dog is a mother for puppy. Dog says oof. Dog says what sound it says? Pranavi, look at the teacher. Yeah. Sheep is a mother for the baby of who? Lamb. Yes. Sheep says Baba. What baby has a mother? See, you all have house. In your house, so many people will be there. Father, mother. So every animal has its, see how nice it has its home. Dog lives here. See, dog's house. Where does dog live? Dog lives in kennel. Where does dog live? Dog lives in kennel. Pranavi, look here, Nana. See all the domestic animals. See the farm, how nice. Look here. Look here. See, cow is eating grass. What cow gives? Cow gives us milk. So, we all will keep cow in the farm. What is this? Horse. Horse lives in stable. See, look here. See, where is the horse? Horse is inside the stable. It eats its food. You all have home now. After the schooling, you all will go to house. Every animal has a house. See, this is the house here. This is the house here. Look here. Yes. These are the bullock cart. What is this? 2 cows. This is the grass. Bullock eat. Cows eat. What cows eat every day? What? Grass.